Hi, this is Cjo Johnson from Bista Solutions, and in this video I'll show you how to create work centers and routings in OpenERP manufacturing process. We can define work centers and routings in the manufacturing module in OpenERP. We go to manufacturing, configuration, under resources we have work centers. Work centers are nothing but units of manufacturing consisting of one or several people or machines that can be considered as a unit in manufacturing. You can distinguish two types of work centers: machines and human resources. We have the following work centers which are already defined in the system. Let us go through each of the parameters in the work center definition. First, we define a name for this work center, that is wood shop. It could be any particular unit where actual operation of the manufacturing process is being performed. For example, painting, machine cutting, welding, assembling, etc. Let us give a code to this particular work center. Then we can assign the type of resource which is present in the work center. It could be human or a material, that is tools or machines. Next, we enter the capacity information for this particular work center. We have capacity per cycle. It is nothing but the number of operations that can be done in parallel during a cycle. Generally, the number defines the number of identical machines or people defined by the work center. So, for example, if this work center has a team of 5 workers, the capacity per cycle of this work center will be 5. Then we have the time for one cycle in hours. This is the duration in hours for that particular operation which is defined in this work center. We can just put it as 1 hour. So that means 1 hour is required for completion of each cycle in this work center. Then we have time before production and time after production. These are nothing but basic activities that we need to perform before and after the production process. Example, cleaning or setting up the environment or various parameters. So we can just set it as 10 minutes before production and 10 minutes after production for cleaning purposes, etc. Then we have another important parameter which is efficiency factor. It is applied to all these 3 times, which determines the real production time. So similarly, we can have multiple number of work centers in this manufacturing process. Now let us see how we can define routings in the manufacturing process. For this, we go to master bill of materials, and under this we have routings. Here we have set up a basic routing for manufacturing of a speaker cone. Routings define the assembly operations to be done in work centers for manufacturing a certain product. They are usually attached to bills of materials which will define the assembly of products required for manufacturing or for finished products. These routings are then attached to bill of materials, which are then also used to generate the production order. First, we define the name of this particular routing. We specify the production location and also assign it a particular code. And over here we can define the work centers that will come across in this particular routing. These work centers are defined by sequence numbers. So the first process in manufacturing a speaker cone will be cut sheets, which is the sequence number 1, and this will take place in the work center, machine or welding. From here we can define the name of the process, the sequence number, the work center, the number of cycles that is required, and the number of hours, and save this routing. So similarly we have different work centers defined inside this routing. So the next one will be epoxy prep rec, which is sequence number 2, and it takes place in the work center of paint line. And similarly we have all the other work centers which are defined when manufacturing a speaker cone in this routing. So this was all about work center definitions and routings in manufacturing. Thank you for watching this video.